Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys some of the remedy that you can use to get rid of dark eye circles. Okay, now these remedies are going to be natural remedies and also going to be skincare product that you can use to get rid of dark eye circle. And one of the products that I'm going to be showing you in today's video is just what you need for your dark eye circle. And if you get this product, trust me, you are going to get your skin fixed. Now, before we go right into this video, I want to take a time to give a shout out to my subscribers, my old-time subscribers. Thanks for always tuning in to watch my video. And if you're just in my video for the very first time, my name is Love Kayla. You are highly welcome. Do it to subscribe. Thank you. Before we go right into the remedy of today's video, I also want to use this time to talk about the causes, some of the reasons why you might be having dark under eyes circle. So one of the reasons is that you are stressing yourself. You are stressed out, you are being stressed, you are always working. You don't have enough rest. This can also be the reason why you are having dark under eye circle. Okay, this can also be the reason why you are having dark under eyes. Another reason why you can have that dark under eyes is that you are using steroid products that are bleaching your skin, and also you are being exposed to sun. When you are using products that are that can bleach your skin, product that contains steroid, and you are exposing yourself to sun, it can also cause you to have dark under eyes. And another reason why you are also having dark under eyes is because you are not having enough sleep. You are not having enough rest. No matter what you do, take our time to have enough sleep. I know of some people that are always night crawlers. During the day, you are always with your phone watching the screen. You don't sleep. At night, when you're supposed to sleep, you only sleep for like 4-5 hours, and boom, you are up again, working, doing other things, focusing on your screen. You don't have enough rest. This can also affect you and can also be the reason why you are having the dark under eyes. Now, another reason why you can also have dark under eyes is because it is in your gene. If you have a family history where you guys have dark under eyes, you can also see yourself having dark under eyes. Do not panic. It's just in your gene. I've seen people that have dark under eyes that is in their gene. No matter the product that you use, no matter what you apply on your skin, no matter the natural remedy you follow, it's just there. Okay, do not panic. It is in your gene. Now, I'm not focusing on those people that have it in their gene. I'm focusing on people that maybe one of the reasons why you are having this dark under eyes is because you are not having enough sleep, or you are using product that contains steroid, all of that. These are the people that I'm talking to in today's video. Now, I'm going to show you guys the remedy that you can use. I'm going to start with the natural remedy before I go into showing you guys the product that you can also get to get rid of the dark under eyes. The first natural remedy that I'm going to recommend for you guys in today's video is the turmeric and honey mixture. This turmeric is known for its very beneficial to the skin. It's known for the brightening effect that it can help brighten the skin. And also the honey is also known for antibacterial remedy potent in it have inside, and it's also very good for brightening and all of that. So you're going to mix these two ingredients together, and you're going to allow it to form a paste and just apply it under your eyes. Now, I do this like 2 times in a week or once in a week, depends on how intentional I am with my skin that period. Okay, so you're going to mix it together and you're going to apply it under your eyes, and you're going to leave it for like 5 to 10 minutes before you're going to rinse it off. And you're going to be consistent with this until you get your desired results. Okay, because natural remedy, when you are using natural remedy, you have to be consistent. It doesn't work fast like you expect it to work. It doesn't work that way. You have to be consistent to get results using this natural remedy. Now, another natural remedy that I will recommend for you is that I use honey sometimes to I just apply honey on my face, on the dark under eyes. I just apply it and I leave it for 5 to 10 minutes then before I rinse it off. Now I do this most times when I don't have turmeric. So even if you don't have turmeric, you can just use your honey and it's fine. And even if you don't have honey, you can just use turmeric under your eyes and it's fine. But if you have the two ingredients, then nice, it's very, very good. You can do it like that and you still have the results that you are looking for. Second product that I am going to be introducing to you guys today is the 3D face cream by Kela Glow. Now this face cream is actually known for its goodness. Let me just show you guys the texture before I go ahead and explain what this face cream is going to do for your skin. Okay, so let me just show you guys. So it has a very lightweight. It has a very lightweight consistency, as you guys can see. It's really blends into your skin fast. Now, if you are using this product, you are going to be using it only at night. Okay, it's also going to help get rid of the dark under eyes, and it also works for other skin issues like sunburn, hyperpigmentation, acne. It can get rid of these skin issues. Okay, it's a very good face cream that you can use to get rid of your dark under eyes. Basically, this is what I use. I actually formulated this product by myself and I have been using it for a while now, and you guys can see that my dark under eyes is looking amazing because this is what I use. And if you want to really get rid of your dark under eyes fast, I will recommend you get this product because it's just going to help get rid of your dark under eyes fast as possible. Okay, and I have been using this product and I will tell you guys that this product is super amazing. Okay, and you can get this product for just 6,000 naira. So if you want to get this product, I'm going to be putting my Instagram link in my description box, so just send me a DM on my Instagram, and if you want to purchase this product, just send me a DM on my Instagram. Okay, thank you guys. The third product that I'm going to be recommending if you want to get rid of your dark under eyes is using a sunscreen. I don't know how to emphasize on it, but no matter what product you use to get rid of your dark under eyes, using sunscreen is very important. Okay, using a good sunscreen, not just sunscreen, but using a good sunscreen can also help you to get rid of dark under eyes. And I'm going to be recommending sunscreen like the annual sunscreen, or you can get the aqua skin sunscreen, or you can get the Nivea sunscreen. These are some sunscreen that you can use and it can really help get rid of the dark under eyes circle and just give you that beautiful and amazing skin. When you are trying to get rid of your dark under eyes, you need to know that the skin around your eyes, it's a very thin skin and it's very delicate. So when you are focusing on getting rid of your dark under eyes circle, you have to be intentional with applying the product, and you have to make sure that the product that you are applying, it's going to do the work for you, like it's going to get the job done. And that is the main reason why I'm recommending the 3D face cream for you guys. This product is really going to help get rid of the dark under eye circle, and if you are using this product mostly at night, it's just going to get the job done for you guys. I am not capping, this product really work. I have used it and I have people that have used it that have come and give their own testimony on how this product really help their skin. So if you want to get this product, like I said, I'm going to be leaving the link in my description box, so just send me a DM and get yours. Well guys, we have come to the end of today's video. If you enjoy watching this video, or if you find this video helpful, do well to like this video and also share this video with someone that you think might need to get this product, and also subscribe if you are not yet part of the family. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.